Think holding in a sneeze is harmless, babe. Think again, sneezes are like little pressure cookers in your nose, and holding them in can cause some real problems. When you stifle a sneeze, all that built-up pressure has to go somewhere. It could burst blood vessels in your eyes or even rupture your eardrums. Ouch! In rare cases, the pressure can even lead to a condition called subcutaneous emphysema, where air gets trapped under your skin. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. Your body, and maybe the person sitting next to you, will thank you. Just make sure to cover with a tissue or elbow. Gesundheit. Remember, folks, sneezes are a natural part of life. Don't keep them bottled up.